In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Weebly website mobile friendly. A mobile friendly website is not just a luxury, it's a necessity in today's world where so many people browse on their phones. By the end of this guide, you'll have your website looking great on all devices. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure you're set up with the right tools, so we're heading over to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. Although it might seem unrelated, this connection is essential because Square owns Weebly, so the integration helps manage your appointments and business seamlessly. Once you're on the Square page, look for the sign in button, which is typically located in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to either sign into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. After you've signed in, you'll be directed to the Square dashboard. Now, the dashboard is your command center. Here you can manage various aspects of your business from payments to website settings. Now, from the dashboard, navigate to the Weebly section by going to the overview page. This screen gives you a glance at all your sites and their current status. Here's where you will find the website tab. Click on that to access your website settings. Next, you want to head straight to the edit site option. This will open up your website's editor. Editing options on Weebly are user-friendly, and from here you can tweak your website to your liking. Developing a habit of clicking the edit site ensures you're making real-time changes that reflect instantly. Now, before you jump into editing the desktop version, click on the preview button. This is a critical step because it allows you to see how your changes will look before they go live. Walk through your site as your visitors would, identifying any elements that might look out of place or aren't functioning correctly. Following this, it's time to tailor your website specifically for mobile devices. By clicking on the mobile option, you enter a view mode that simulates how users will see your website on their smartphones. Scrutinize every page and section, making sure the fonts are readable, images are correctly aligned, and navigation is effortless. These adjustments might include resizing images, rethinking lengthy text blocks, or reorganizing elements to maintain a clean and intuitive layout. Congratulations, you've now set your Weebly website to be mobile friendly. These enhancements will provide a better user experience, potentially increase your website's traffic, and ensure you're keeping up with the mobile first trend the digital world is moving towards. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.